up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kiwi. For those of you guys that are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like what you see. And if you're an OD but a goodie, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about this palette here for Makeup Monday. This is the Profusion Spectrum palette, and it was just a little $5 palette that I got from Walmart, but I wanted to try it out because you guys know I'm trying to get more colorful looks in. So we're just going to try out this palette and play with it, some color looks for the summer, and just have fun with this look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on this palette, then just keep watching. I am going to be using the Profusion Spectrum palette. And it's a really pretty colorful palette. I got this palette from Walmart for about, I think it's like $5, I think. Yeah, it's definitely less than $10, and it has some really pretty colors. I pulled up this picture here on Pinterest, and I think I want to recreate something in this nature. So my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer to prime them. So we're gonna go with orange, this orange here, and we're just gonna go ahead and pop this in the transition, well, in the crease. Actually a little bit kind of pigmented there, very pigmented. Alright, so then it looks like we're gonna go in with purple. Now she has purple, but I think I'm gonna do like this blue and this purple right here. I'm gonna do both of these shades because I think that would be super pretty. So yeah, so I'm gonna work with the blue first. I'm not gonna work too much with this blue because I do want to put the purple on top of it. Alright, and then we're not gonna really worry about blending right now. So I'm just gonna take the other side of the brush and go in with the purple color. These colors do have names. So I think I want to do kind of like a fading pink. So I'm going to go in with this like fuchsia pink, and then I'm going to go in with this bright pink here. Oh, bright pink here. See, I told you guys I'm sleepy. This fuchsia pink, and then I'm going to go in with bright pink. So then we're gonna go back in with orange. This look looks kind of similar to the rainbow look that I did, but it's not quite the same look, but it looks kind of similar. The colors are really pretty and very summery. going to take the other side of this brush and go in with the yellow shade here. So I'm going to add that. So this is what we're working with right now. I think it looks pretty good. Of course I have to clean this up, so we're just gonna take this orange brush and blend away any harsh lines with this orange. One thing about this palette is that it's very colorful, but it doesn't really have any like neutrals in it, of course, because it's like a bright spectrum palette. But I like to use like neutral colors for my highlight, so I won't be using the palette a color out of here for my highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Go ahead and apply my mascara, liner, and lashes and all that, and then we'll come back and do the bottom lash line. Have on my lashes and pretty much everything else. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I do want to zoom you guys in so you guys can see the color a little bit more. And pretty much all I'm going to do is just take the same colors that I have on my lid up top here, and I'm just going to put them on the lower lash line. So yeah, I'm going to go in with the purple first. Then we're going to go in with the pink. I'm going to go in with the orange. Then we're going to go in with the yellow. So that is pretty much all of the color. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. It's the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this. I do like the palette. Y'all know that I am not that fond of color. I am a neutrals girl. I love neutral eyeshadow, but I'm trying to like branch out and do more looks on the channel and not just the same old boring brown looks. So I wanted to do this look, and like I said, I did get this look from a picture on Pinterest, which I showed you guys in the beginning, and I like the way it turned out. I do. I like the way it turned out. It's actually really pretty. All in all, I do like the palette. I do think that you have to build up a lot of the colors in here. The purple was pretty pigmented. The blue was pretty pigmented. But like the orange and the yellow, those where you really have to put like a base on, and then you really have to build it up. But all in all, I think the colors did show up really well on my skin tone, and they did look really, really good. However, I did get a lot of fallout, so I like the price, and you can get a pretty fun, colorful look for only $5. Like, you can't beat that. So I actually like the way this look turned out. I like the palette, and I highly recommend it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little review, demo, swatches, first impressions of this palette for Makeup Monday. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.